It said, wait your turn, I said I'll build my own line. Opportunity, knocking when you're busy wasting time. Sat back, that's a setup for a stronger comeback arc. I've been working in the shadows, now I'm taking it to broad daylight. Consistency is the secret that nobody wants to say. Show up every single day, that's the only way to pay.
What you just watched started as nothing more than an idea. Tunee's AI music video agent mode can analyze a track's rhythm, structure, and energy, create the visual concept, characters, storyboard, and scenes, and then let you refine everything through conversation. Instead of using one tool for the music, another for the images, another for the video, and another for editing, no. Tunee combines everything inside one creative workspace and infinite canvases. You don't need music theory, video editing experience, or complicated prompts. And it can even create full-length music videos up to 6 minutes long. I'm so excited today. But first, my name is Cece, and this is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get musical, yes! And here is something you should know before we get started. Tunee is free to try, and you don't need a credit card. If you register for Tunee through my exclusive link, you'll receive 250 initial credits, which you can use to try generating a 15-second C-Dance 2.0 music video for free. You can receive free credits by logging in. Tunee also has a mobile app, so you can create AI music and videos while you're on the go. You can scan the QR code on the screen or download the app directly from the Apple App Store or Google Play. If you need more credits, paid subscriptions currently start at $18 per month, with discounted prices available when you choose yearly billing. The higher plans provide more credits for creators who want to generate more songs, scenes, and music videos. All right, so let's get started. I'm so excited today. I'm so excited. I get to make a music video. Okay, so first, you got to get started with Tunee. You got to sign up either with Google, Apple, or you can do your own email and make a password that you can remember. Once you confirm that you're not a robot, you can get started. Press continue, okay? It is that simple. You can sign up Google, Apple. If you can use your own email. I love it. Now we are here. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing, I'm putting in a prompt. All right, so we have the prompt. We're going to use 11 music. Okay, that is going to be our model, 11 music. And we have the prompt, and we're going to make this fabulous music video today and a fabulous song. I'm so excited. Look at this. Okay, this is the first song for Inside Your Hustle. Okay, it's called Make a Way.
Woke up early, the sun ain't even up. Got a list of ideas, time to fill up the cup. Not a handout chaser,
I like a female rapper. Let's try out Inside Your Hustle. All right. Okay, I love the build up, right? That high energy build up. It was very motivational. It had that hip hop flavor with a female rapper. I love it. All right. Okay, so now we have that. That was all based on a music prompt. Okay, so now we're going to edit the song. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do now. I'm so excited. Okay, now, can you add a harder drums in the intro? Let's go a little harder, more hip hop, right? So let's see if we can do that. Okay, it's thinking it through. All right, it did it that fast. Let's check out the blueprint maker.
woke up early, the sun ain't even up. Got a list of ideas, time to fill the cup. Not a handout chaser, I'm a blueprint maker every late night.
Wow, she definitely added some drums. They added drums to that. From the Ground. Let's check out From the Ground. Wow, that was fabulous. Now go right to the logo on the left-hand side and press Agent. Okay, once you go to agent, you go into music. You see where it says music? Okay, and we're gonna select.
Dream big, hustle smart, I'm stored. Dream big, hustle smart, I'ma make a way. Turn another bad idea into another
You
payday.
like what you heard, all right? We're gonna do a 60-second short. Press continue. We're gonna go on. We gotta choose some assets. Select your character. Look at all these different characters I can select for my music video. Oh, they even have anime characters. Wow. I love it. So many to choose from. But I want to go with, let's see, Vera Lynn. Let's go with Vera Lynn. I love it. Even the Tunee is a character with his headphones. Look at all the beautiful characters. Let's go with Vera Lynn. All right. She's ready for some hip hop. All right. Let's do it. Oh, I'm so excited. Press confirm. Let's find our model. We're going to do a C Dance 2.5. Okay. We're going to try C Dance 2.5 and let's see how this works. I'm so excited. My first music video. Okay. Yes. All right. We have our prompt. Create a cinematic, high energy song. We're going to do it. We're going to do a whole video. And look, it's giving us a song length. Okay. Your scene brief describes a full length music video. Okay. 60 seconds. Adapt the brief to 60 seconds. All right. I love it. We're just going to do a little tease to see how it looks, okay? Then we'll do a full-length video. All right, so now what style we're going to do? We're going to do a cinematic noir realistic, okay? So this is going to be a realistic video. This is the visuals. We're coming up with the visuals for the actual video. All right, so let's make this a one-of-a-kind video. We press confirm. It's getting everything together. It's telling me how it's going to look. Oh, my goodness. Beautiful timeline. Oh, wow. If I like everything, I could click on looks good. Let's see. Confident female entrepreneur rapper. Okay. East Asian heritage streetwear. Yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So if I like what it says, it gives me a whole blueprint on how it's going to look. I say looks good. I say looks good. I like how it's going to be. Pre-dawn studio. Oh my God. It even gives me each scene. Rooftop at sunrise with the chorus. Oh, I love it. Then we hit the streets in the chorus too in New York. Oh my God. You know this is going to be hot, right? Okay, let's get a little bit and see how. Look at the storyboard.
Dream big, hustle smart, I'ma make a way. Turn another bad idea into another payday. Up on the ground, now we payday. Built it from the ground, now we elevate. Inside your hustle, now let's get paid. Yeah.
All right, I like it, but let's redo it. Show more of the character and have her surrounded by cash and cats. I didn't see her really lip syncing. I want to see her. I want her singing. I want her ready for the New York streets. You know what I mean? I'm loving this. I love how it's coming together. The storyboard is coming together so nice. Let's check it out. All right. Oh, it did all the changes. Okay.
Dream big, hustle smart, I'ma make a way. Turn another bad idea into another payday. Up on the ground, now we payday. Built it from the ground, now we elevate. Inside your hustle, now let's get paid. Yeah. Dream big, hustle smart, I'ma make a way. Turn another bright idea into another payday. Up on the ground, now we payday. Built it from the ground, now we elevate. Inside your hustle, now let's get paid. Faster now, watch the pen move across the page. Every no I ever got just built the thicker stage. It said wait your turn, I said I'll build my own line. Opportunity knocking when you're busy wasting time. Sat back, that's a setup for a stronger comeback arc. I've been working in the shadows, now I'm taking it to broad daylight. Consistency is the secret that nobody wants to say. Show up every single day, that's the only way to pay. Dream big.
What? I loved it. Oh my goodness. Payday. Oh, did you see that? The lip syncing. Did you see did you see how all the scenes they told us? They gave us all the scenes. Oh, I loved it. And I asked for the cat and the money. They gave me everything. Oh, I loved it. Good job, Tunee. Wasn't that awesome today? Oh my goodness. I made my first music video. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I am so happy. I love how that song, character, storyboard, and completed video came together without ever leaving Tunee's creative workspace. If you want to try Tunee's AI music video agent mode, register through my exclusive link in the description down below or in the pinned comment. You'll receive 250 initial credits, which you can use to try generating a 15-second C-Dance 2.0 music video for free. If you decide you want to create more, you can also choose one of the discounted subscriptions plans I showed earlier. I'm telling you, you're going to have some fun. Now you see why I use Tunee? Save money on musicians and producers. I avoid expensive music licensing fees, and I can create monetizable music and videos. So thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try creating your own song or music video with Tunee. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.
Round, now we elevate. Inside your hustle, now let's get paid. Yeah. Faster now, watch the pen move across the page. Every note I ever got just built the thicker stage. It said, wait your turn, I said I'll build my own line. Opportunity knocking when you're busy wasting time. That's a setup for a stronger comeback arc. I've been working in the shadows, now I'm taking it to broad daylight. Consistency is the secret that nobody wants to say. Show up every single day, that's the only way to pay. Dream big,